subject that is based on the programming. So that is based on the programming. So uh, before starting this subject, we should know that what are the prerequisite of this subject. Which subject we
You're not audible, sir.
yes, yes. Now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, dear. See, there are certain things are there which was in the C language. But can anyone tell me what is the C language? Anyone? Is it the low level language, or is it the high level language, or is it the middle level language? Can anyone tell me? Anyone?
It is a high-level language, sir.
Anyone?
So it is middle level.
Okay, chalo. So it is a middle level language because we should know that why should we call that a middle level language, and we should also know that what is the low level language, and we should also know that what is the high level language. See, let us understand.
You are not audible, sir.
What is the problem? Okay. Okay. Low level language means what? The system which understands the language is called as a low level language. Sir, what is that language? You may ask that, sir, what is that language which the system understands? So you know that zeros and ones are the what binary language, you can say that. So zeros and ones are the what language, we can say that, which can be understandable to the what system or computer or to the operating system. What is mean a computer? Computer is what? The language should be recognized, or the language that should be understandable to the what operating system. Actually, we say most of the time we say that it should be understandable to the system. System is what? Operating system actually. So that language is nothing but the low level language. Now, what is the high level language? As you know that nowadays we have so many languages, like Java is there, so many languages are there. So the language which is used to make the what advanced applications, like what websites, all these things, or which provide more features than anyone else. So that is now called as the high level language. Middle level language, what C language. That is what neither we can create the most of the applications by using the C language, or not it can be understandable to the system also, or to the compiler also. That's why it is what it lies between the low level and what high level. That's why it is called as the middle level language. So another point was, I think you may have learnt in the C language that can anyone tell me whether the C language is a procedure-oriented language or object-oriented language?
Object-oriented language, sir.
Procedure. Procedure.
Therefore, see, now the question comes in our mind whenever we are learning any language or whatever the language we have learned. So, on which basis or what are the features? So, we are saying that that language is a object-oriented language or procedure oriented language?
Sir, please repeat.
Yeah. I repeat. Okay. So whenever we have to decide that, see, whenever suppose I want to buy a new mobile, so I should know that whether that mobile is having the Android or suppose iOS or any other iOS, any operating system, any other operating system in that. So what we have to decide, we have some features which are in the what Android operating system, which have what suppose another features for the iOS. So it depend upon the operating system. Now the question is that the same question arises when we are talking about the procedure-oriented programming and the object-oriented programming language. Now the what is that feature? See, why C is called as the procedure-oriented programming language? Question is that. See, whenever we are saying that C is a procedure or a POP, in shortcut, we are in a very shortcut, we can say that POP, procedure oriented programming language. Now the question is that why we are saying C language is a procedure oriented programming language? That's the question. Can anyone tell me? Can anyone guess me? Anyone?
Sir, maybe
Sir, because
function overloading.
Sorry. Will you repeat, please?
Sir, C does not allow us to means use function overloading
Okay. Okay.
or
Next.
build up in data types. It supports C supports
What C supports?
build in data types.
Example, can you give an example of that?
It's just, sir, I have read recently, so sorry, sir, I cannot give you example.
No problem, no issue. You tried. That is a very good thing. I appreciate you. Okay, but thank you. Next, anyone?
Sir, C follows step-by-step procedure that is called as function for the execution of a program.
Okay. Sakshi Dado. Okay. Anyone wants to answer this question? Anyone wants to
Sir,
try?
C language deals in basically it supports pointers, but in object-oriented language, it deals with pointer and references also.
Okay. Take it. See. Now, let me answer. Whenever we are saying that C is a procedure-oriented programming language, what is the main motto behind this? What is the main reason behind this? Why we are calling it as, or why we are saying to this as about the it is a procedure-oriented programming language. Whenever we are following the sequence, see, suppose I have 5 statements are there, 5 statements. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, statement 4, and statement 5, suppose. And we want to execute those statements sequentially. We don't want, or we want to skip, suppose we want to skip some of the statement. Like suppose I don't want to execute statement 2 and statement 3. I want to execute statement 1, statement 4, and statement 5. I want to skip statement 2 and statement 3. So that is not possible in the what procedure-oriented programming. We can't skip any language, any line between them. We have to follow the sequence. We have to follow the procedure. That's why it is called as a procedure-oriented programming language. Next thing is that you may have some function calling. जैसे बताया कि अपने function call कर रहे हो, you are jumping to another function definition. That may be possible, but you can't skip any of the statement without execution. That is the main reason. And the next most important term that you may have learned in C language, that is, it follows the top
to down.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
बाकी लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? At least show your
Yes, sir.
raise your hands or show your hands उसे बताओ, रिस्पॉन्स दो। तो मुझे बताइए कि why it is called as a top down approach? Anyone? I will give 2 minutes for that. Anyone want to speak? Speak up.
Sir,
Sir, because the first preference is given to the first statement rather than the importance of the data.
Okay. Next.
sir,
Yes.
सर मुझे किसी ने प्रेजेंटर बना दिया है, आप प्लीज चेक कर लें एक बार।
Just a minute. Just a minute. अभी संदीप, अभी देखो। हेलो संदीप, आई एम ऑडिबल?
यस सर, अब सही है। यस सर, यस सर।
ठीक है। तो हाँ, you want to answer संदीप?
सर प्लीज रिपीट द क्वेश्चन।
The question is that we say that C follows the top-down approach. So, what is the meaning of the top-down approach? Anyone?
सर बेसिकली is execute from main function then comes down. That's the reason.
Okay.
First of all,
Anyone?
checks the
Any other answer?
Sir, I think because it executes all the sub-functions belonging to the main functions before proceeding further.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. See, very good answers I have got. Actually, it also deals with what the main function. That is the correct answer. See, those who don't know, I will repeat for them. See, in C language, you may have seen that the main function is present at the top, or we can say that main function is the most important part in the C language, or that is present at the top. After header files, we have the main function, and in that main function, we have some code is there. We have some statements are there that is going to be executed. So the main, as you know, that main is nothing but the entry point of the program, from where the execution starts. So the main resides at the top. That's why it is called as, it is executing the statements from first statement of the main to the gate stage, up to the gate stage. You may have gate stage at anywhere, as you know that, but it is going to execute from top to bottom. So that's why it is called as, it follows the top-down approach. Now, so these are the very important concepts that we will learn in the further lectures or further classes in whatever we have. So the next thing is that what is the another requirement, or what is the another prerequisite for the C++ language? You may have learned operators. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me what are the operators? Enlist you the operators. Don't explain it. Enlist. Can you enlist the operators?
Sir, arithmetic operator, bitwise, and relational operator.
Okay. Very good. Very good. So there are various operators are there, like arithmetic है, logical है, bitwise है ना, relational है, increment,
Conditional.
decrement, conditional है, वो सारे. There are various operators you may have gone through. So the same operators we have in the C++ language. Then we have looping concepts are there: for loop, while loop, do while loop, all the looping. Can you tell me what is the use of general idea about the loop? Anyone? Anyone?
We use loops when we need to execute the same piece of code multiple number of times.
Okay. Other students? Vanshita
Repetition
Jain.
of sequence.
Okay, very good. Vanshita Jain is there. Suraj Singh is there. Suraj Singh. Shubhi Paliwal.
Sir, loop can be defined as repeating the same process multiple times until
Maybe
the
can you?
circuit
Yeah. Tell
satisfies.
me what is the benefit of using the any loop?
So it can save our time also, and we can use multiple times same process without overwriting it.
Can we say that it reduces the length of the code?
Yes, sir.
So, do you find any difference between the while loop and do while loop? Shreya Singh is there. Shreya Singh.
So in do while loop, at first the code is processed and at the end checking is done. Condition is checked.
Prathamesh Lodi.
Yes, sir.
Do you find any difference between while and do while loop?
So basic difference is that while loop is an entry loop and do while loop is an exit loop.
So, in terms of execution, what is the difference? Ishita Tanwar.
सर while loop में पहले कंडीशन चेक होती है एंड do while में पहले स्टेटमेंट होता है.
हाँ, ठीक है. कृतिका पवन है. कृतिका पवन.
Yes, sir.
So, do you find any difference between while and do while?
Yes, sir. इन while loop कंडीशन पहले प्रोसेस होती है उसके बाद उसका स्टेटमेंट एंड do while में पहले स्टेटमेंट होता है उसके बाद उसकी कंडीशन चेक होती है.
So, tell me from your whatever the knowledge or whatever the things you have, which one is the best or which one we should refer?
While loop.
Why so?
Yes, sir.
What is the reason behind that?
सर बिकॉज पहले कंडीशन आपकी चेक हो जाती है उसके बाद आपके स्टेटमेंट्स एग्जीक्यूट होते हैं कि इसमें पहले स्टेटमेंट्स वो एग्जीक्यूट कर देता है सारे.
So you mean to say that it while loop provides more accuracy than the do while?
यस सर आई थिंक सो.
Think so. ठीक है. ठीक है. We will go to another one. Ishita Prajapati is there. Ishita Prajapati. Ayush Sharma is there. Ayush Sharma. Amrit Chandra. Amisha Gupta. Mehak Tiku. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. सी एम ऑडिबल?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes,
ऐसी
sir.
खामोशी ऐसी साइलेंस ऐसा साइलेंस लग रहा था मुझे कि कोई तूफान आया है यहाँ. बात नहीं कर रहा है कोई, कुछ नहीं कर रहा, खाली 2-3
Sir.
मिनट की बात कर. हाँ बोलिए.
Sir, may I try?
Your voice is breaking.
Sir,
Amrit,
can I try?
Very good. You are welcome.
Actually, sir, do while loop I think so is better than while loop because sir,
डू वाइल लूप सर एक्चुअली एक बार एग्जीक्यूट होता है एटलीस्ट कंडीशन फॉल्स होने पे भी, बट वाइल लूप एग्जीक्यूट ही नहीं होगा सर।
तो फिर अच्छा, इससे पहले आंसर किसने दिया था? किसने आंसर दिया था वो डिफरेंस वाइल एंड डू वाइल का?
Sir, I think it was Kritika.
हाँ, कृतिका पॉल।
Yes.
कृतिका,
Yes, sir.
Ambesh is telling that do while is better than the while loop.
Yes, sir.
What yes?
सर बट अगर आपको कोई एग्जीक्यूट करना है प्रोग्राम एंड आपकी कंडीशन फॉल्स है तो भी वो प्रिंट कर देगा डू वाइल, बट अगर आप वाइल से करोगे तो वो सब टर्मिनेट हो जाता है।
फिर आप किससे एग्री करते हो कि एक्यूरेसी कहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको? वेदर यू विल गेट द एक्यूरेसी इन while loop or do while loop?
सर आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट।
Anyone sure about this? Which provides more accuracy? So we will go to the both CR. Prathamesh, first to you.
Yes, sir.
Which provides more accuracy, Prathamesh?
Sir, do while.
Aviraj?
Yes, sir. Do while.
Okay. So on which basis you are judging that, you are saying that ki do while provides more accuracy than while loop?
Sir, because in do while, if the condition is false, the control breaks out of the loop. Whereas
But suppose my condition is wrong. Suppose my condition is wrong as a big suppose, and see, it depends upon your requirement. Yes or no? If I say that I suppose the program should execute when the condition is true and the statements or whatever there, the statement should not execute when the condition is false. This is my same simple statement or simple condition. When condition is true, it should execute. When the condition is false, it should not execute. फिर भी लेकिन अभी प्रॉब्लम क्या हो रहा है डू वाइल में? आप देखो जरा, कंडीशन फॉल्स होने के बाद भी आपका स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है? एक बार तो वहां पर आपको एक्यूरेसी कहाँ मिल रहा है?
सर डू वाइल में लाइक एग्जांपल हमने लिया कि हमें एज 18 चेक करना है, तो पहले हम एज 18 का वो करेंगे, लिखेंगे प्रिंटफ में, एंड उसके बाद प्रिंट करना होगा कि यस एंड नो, फिर वो कंडीशन चेक करेगा।
नहीं, वो तो आप एक एग्जांपल के लिए नहीं कंसिडर कर सकते। वी हैव टू सी व्हाट जनरल बात करना पड़ता है, बराबर है कि नहीं? अब जनरल हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हमारा जब स्टेटमेंट लिखते हैं हम लोग कैसे लिखते हैं कि भाई ये कंडीशन ट्रू रहेगा तो ये सब स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होंगे, वरना नहीं होंगे। यस और नो? इट में बी व्हाट आप जो एज के बारे में बात कर रहे हो या कोई भी प्रोग्राम हो, है ना? वी कांट स्टिक टू पर्टिकुलर एग्जांपल, वी हैव टू सी ऑल द थिंग्स। तो ऑल द थिंग्स मतलब क्या? कंडीशन ट्रू रहेगा तो एग्जीक्यूट करो, नहीं तो कुछ मत करो। तो उस समय आप क्या यूज करोगे? कौन सा यूज करोगे? वाइल या डू वाइल यूज करोगे?
वाइल सर।
तो इसमें अभी एक्यूरेसी कौन प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, वाइल या डू वाइल?
वाइल।
वाइल।
समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
यस सर।
हाँ, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम की अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट. Even though if you are using the do while and if you know that your condition is wrong, even though what it is executing the statement yes or no, but what is our aim? It should not execute even the condition is false. So that's why what, remember that whenever most of the times in interviews also, in the placement, when the organization or in company comes to you and they ask you that, but I have two options, while and do while, so which one is will prefer and why? So this is very important thing. Okay, no problem, very good. What you tried. Next is that you should have the knowledge of arrays. You should have the knowledge of structures. You should have the knowledge of functions. Can anyone tell me what are the different types of function? What is a function? Anyone? Anyone? Baljeep? Balju, can you hear me? Ambesh, Kritika.
Sir, Baljit here.
Yeah,
Sir, am I
Balju.
audible?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Sir, functions is basically a group of statements that help us to, matlab, that works together.
Okay. So what is the you benefit of having the function and suppose not having the function?
सर may I?
Yes.
सर अगर हमें किसी किस प्रोग्राम में सर कोई पर्टिकुलर काम को बार बार करना होता है तो हम उसको फंक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर देते हैं.
अच्छा, मतलब कोई स्टेटमेंट बार बार एग्जीक्यूट करना है तो फंक्शन में डाल दो और उसको रन कितने बार भी कॉल करो, रन होते रहेगा. बराबर है कि नहीं?
यस सर. यस.
ठीक है. ओके. शिवम, या अभी आपका नाम याद रहेगा मेरे को. अविराज. ओके.
सर हम कितनी
हाँ, बोलिए अविराज, प्लीज. ओवर टू यू अविराज.
Yes, sir. Sir, in C, the functions are global by default. So if we want to access the function outside from the file where it is declared, we can access it easily. And we also can restrict this access by making it a static function.
Okay.
So that's the use of functions.
Okay. Anyone?
Sir, even it helps us to avoid rewriting, sir. Functions helps us to avoid rewriting.
Yeah, means we don't need to write the same code again here and at different places, है ना? Anyone?
जी सर.
कृतिका?
एक और है कि मतलब हमें वो बहुत बड़ी बड़ी फाइल जो होती है उसको भी मतलब हेल्प करता है. Functions help us to counter that thing as well.
Yes. Okay. कृतिका, पवन.
यस सर, कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी रिड्यूस हो जाती है फंक्शंस यूज करने से, बिकॉज आप बार बार कॉल कर सकते हो, आपको कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं होगा आपका प्रोग्राम, उससे इजीली समझ आ जाएगा.
Okay. Anyone want to answer? ठीक है. तो ध्यान में
सर और
रखें
एक
कि
मेजर
हाँ, बोलिए. वेलकम.
एक मेजर भी था कि it helps us a lot in reducing the errors. That is a major thing in coding because errors बहुत होते हैं, तो functions help us to reduce those errors.
Yes, very good.
अगर
I will
compare
elaborate
करें
you. Yes,
in general.
correct.
Yeah.
I will elaborate you. See, the whatever the point has been said by Sani, that is very correct. See, in function, what happen if you are using, as you know that if you are doing a simple program of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and we have created suppose some 4 functions for 4 different operations, and if you get some error in the suppose doing the addition of the program, so we don't need to go in the subtraction function, we don't need to go in the multiplication function, we don't need to go in the division function. Yes or no? Directly we can go in that addition function and we can see that, but we can check the what is the exact problem is what in the addition. Yes or no? Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that also was a good point said by Sahani. Okay, very good. So see, what is the motto of this today's class? You should know everything like arrays, pointers, functions, then the basic thing, data types, operators, everything we should know, so we can utilize that knowledge in learning the object-oriented programming language. Is it fine? Or next
Yes,
thing,
sir.
I
Yes,
want
sir.
to ask that. Suppose I want to share a link with a Pune campus student. So Prathamesh, can you tell me how can you how can I share with all of you?
Sir, can you make one DSPS channel and you can add us so that recording is available for us?
Okay, today I will create a separate channel for you. You can all the Pune campus students, you can I will share a link. You can add in that particular channel. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So we will start our OOP sessions from the next lecture. Okay.
Sir?
बोलिए.
Sir, the Pune students won't get the access to the recording.
How? I will add them in my channel.
हाँ सर, यही चैनल में ऐड कीजिए सर, वो अलग चैनल में नहीं होगा क्योंकि आप लेक्चर ये चैनल पर कंडक्ट करोगे तो।
सर दोनों को एक ही में डाल दीजिए, एक चैनल बना के दोनों को एक ही में डाल दीजिए।
The problem, no, see, the problem what I face that कि during UT1, during मार्क्स डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन जो होता है ना आपका,
यस,
तो उस समय बहुत दिक्कतें होती है प्रैक्टिकली अगर सोचेंगे हम लोग।
सर आप शेयर करके वो चैनल में डाल सकते हैं अपनी
हाँ,
रिकॉर्डिंग।
मैं वही करने वाला हूँ, आई विल शेयर दैट वीडियो इन दैट पर्टिकुलर चैनल, नो प्रॉब्लम, है ना? इज इट फाइन?
जी सर।
डोंट वरी, हैव अ नाइस डे। ठीक है, और कल का जो फंक्शन हुआ, कल का जो फंक्शन अरेंज किया आपने, बहुत अच्छा लगा। कहानी वेरी गुड, एंड अविराज also, I think you are there, na? So those who were participate, those who are involved in that particular activity, ठीक है, very congratulations to them, and I hope that you will do better in the next future.
Thank you sir.
Thank you, all the best.
Thank you
We'll
sir.
meet in the next session. Thank you.
सर
हाँ बोल।
सर
हाँ, बोलो।
ऑब्जेक्ट ओरिएंटेड लैंग्वेज में हम कोई बेसिकली लैंग्वेज सीखेंगे ना, पहले लैंग्वेज में ही करेंगे ना कोई?
यस यस, टेंशन मत लो, हम मिलेंगे जब तक।
तो सर जावा में करेंगे कि C++ में?
C++। ठीक है
सर हमारे
संदीप?
कोर्स में C++ है क्या?
हाँ है, C++ है, वो भी C++ एक्चुअली, आपको जावा में नहीं।
ओके सर।
ठीक है, खुश रहो, आबाद रहो। ठीक है, थैंक यू।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.